This is the ATtiny Arduino. You can see in the background I have a functioning prototype with a matrix made easy and electric condenser mic. But we'll get to that later. In the front here, we have my soldered PCB. You can see it has a 9-volt DC barrel jack input, which then runs through a 5-volt regulator circuit, which has a 10 microfarad capacitor on both the in and out pins in order to reduce any static coming out of the 5-volt regulator. Here is the ATtiny IC. This board is designed to use the ATtiny24, 44, or 84 IC since they all have the same pinout. You can see here, similar to the Arduino Uno, that the pinouts go to these female headers. You can see it's very similar to this Arduino here, going out to these female headers. So you can see that the ATtiny has 7 analog pins and 10 digital pins, allowing a multitude of possibilities for future projects. And on the top is a 6-pin ISP header, so you can program with a SparkFun Pocket Programmer. The PCB is housed in a case I designed in Fusion 360. It's designed to friction fit the board, but as well being held in by heat set inserts and 3mm screws. Here's how the ISP header connects to my PCB. To upload to the board, all you have to do is simply select which ATtiny you're uploading to and the clock. I use the internal 1 MHz or 8 MHz. Here's one of my prototype circuits designed to show some of the many capabilities of my PCB. I'm using the Matrix Made Easy and electric condenser mic as appliances within my PCB in order to not have any breadboards or wiring coming off of it. I uploaded my Matrix Made Easy code from a couple projects ago. All I had to do was simply change the pinouts within the sketch and upload it using the SparkFun Pocket Programmer. And everything works perfectly.